Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool bell box and candlestick telephone. This is David's equipment from CT, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool equipment. Now the bell box is a Stromberg and Carlson, and the candlestick telephone is an AT&T. We're going to troubleshoot the bell box. We need to make sure that the solenoids for the bell box are in good condition. We want to take a look at our bell. We also want to adjust the bell for the most ringing action. We want to install a line cord for the bell so it can be self-contained and plug and play and plugged into any modern jack and then ring when you get a call. So we'll take care of all the issues that we find with the bell. We also want to go through the candlestick telephone. We want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that the rotary is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and that it's dialing out properly. We want to take a look at the wiring of the candlestick telephone and wire this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also want to take a look at the receiver capsule. It has the original diaphragm type receiver capsule. We're going to try to utilize that in the repair and conversion, and if we cannot utilize the receiver capsule because of low audio, we will upgrade the receiver capsule. And we also want to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop for the candlestick telephone so that you have plenty of transmit power. So we will be going through the entire candlestick telephone. We're also going to troubleshoot the line cord, and we want to install a modular adapter plug on the candlestick telephone so that it can be plugged into any modern day jack. So we will be going through all of the equipment and taking care of any issues that we find. The bell box and candlestick telephone will be independent from each other, and you'll be able to move them anywhere you choose and plug and play with each unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on these units. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool wooden bell box and candlestick telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool bell box and candlestick telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this amplified pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and in our conversions. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We also want to mention that we have the clapper cover removed so that you can see the clapper go back and forth in between the bells. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle to the bell box. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and tap on the transmitter. If you watch the analyzer, every time that red light lights up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. And while I'm speaking, you can actually see the transmitter working. And I'm pretty far away from this telephone, so you won't have any issues with transmit power. We'll go ahead and hang up our receiver capsule. Now that we know that the bell box is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have receive and transmit. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call the time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, January 15th. The current time, 7:17 p.m. and the temperature, 16 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang up our receiver capsule. Now that we know that this bell box and candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this equipment back to David and he can enjoy this really cool wooden bell box and Candlestick Telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.